it before, you can't. Now, we want to use precision when we're working with metal so that, you know, we just want to gently give it a, not too rough. Is the neighbor running a chainsaw? Of course they are. Okay, this is the bent door. These are swivel head shears. Munchy munchy. If you can see it, yeah, munchy munchy. We're gonna see if we can. I know this is, you wouldn't normally want to remove some of this structure of this door, but it's hammered, so let's just make it happen. Oh, I can't get through that edge right away. Okay, so this edge is rolled and it's too thick to get a bite on, but this punch out is not. And we can probably once we get it worked around a corner, it'll move. You get the picture. Just sort of swivel it out of the way, and there you can see is the damage that corresponds to what happened out here. So now we can get to both sides, and all we need is the buffing hammer. It's only a 1 pound, no, 32 ounce, so that's a 2 pound. We'll call that a fine tipped hammer, you know, ball peen hammer, machinist hammer. And then we'll, I couldn't find the 3 pound sledge, so we're just gonna try and buck with this a little bit. We wanna keep a little bit of shape, but we're gonna have to. She's somebody hit her, you know, and I don't blame her for still being mad about it, you know. I'd be mad. Somebody really hit her good. And, whew, that's, damn. So, might need a little more room to hammer. That's a lot of belly in that there door. We got a little bit out of here though. Should be a little better if I could find a bigger hammer. Okay. There. Ta-da! Get rid of this here fiberglass. There we go. That's some good stuff. We'll stick that in this other door. Look at that. That's looking so good. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is looking good. Real good. Ain't no stretching. What's this body line even supposed to look like? What the hell are we doing? Oh yeah, that whizzes right in. Here, let me give you the angle so you can really see the beauty that is hammer work. Here it is. Can you see it? Oh, can you see it? Oh yeah. Now that I fixed that door a little, this one looks like garbage. That figures. Well, a little bit of paint, spray paint. That'll, well, you won't even see that. A lot of paint, a lot of paint. It's improved. It's really bad. Freaking good. Yeah, that door's smashed. That one's, look how bad that one is. This one's mint. Yeah. Yeah. Whew. Well, all right then. I guess we know what we have to do.